Hey guys, so I'm Sasha.
Melissa.
And we're here today to talk to you about our 5 most dramatic bathroom before and afters.
Okay, so we're taking a look at some old photos and came across some really good before and afters and thought it would be a fun thing to share with you.
All right, so at number 5 is the Westmount kids bathroom.
So this bathroom was definitely a little stuck in a time warp, but it wasn't a lot of rejigging here. We did end up combining the tub and shower because the homeowners felt like it wasn't an added element that they needed. This also allowed us to have a little extra storage for them. Our feeling and style for this particular project was keeping in that historical feel of this older home while still bringing some like whimsical feel for the kids. And we also wanted it to be something that they could grow up with. So we made it very like black and white with a little hint of color.
All right, so at number 4 is our Halifax Ensuite renovation. This is one of those en-suites that, you know what, it had actually high-end finishes and it was decent, but it just was not in the right decade. Glass blocks, just little 280s for us.
So for these East Coast dwellers, we wanted to bring it into the now and also bring that fresh element. We wanted it to be white and bright and have a little nautical flair. Taking out that big chunky tub really brought this to life. We put in a freestanding tub, which actually right above it there was a circular window, which really brought that kind of nautical feel to the home. And I
love that window.
Yeah, love how that all came together. So at number 3 is our powder room.
So our powder room was just a boring builder grade powder room. This was one of our first big renovation projects in our home.
It's sort of on your first sight line when you walk into our house too. So you open our front door and you see our powder room. So creating that nice visual was really important to us for this space.
Since we don't have a mudroom in our front entrance, we wanted to create vanity that had some storage in it.
Yeah, any of the odds and ends that the kids have at the front door, kind of tuck them in there so you don't really see them.
We wanted also to complement it with a subtle wallpaper, and it turned out amazing.
He was not sold on it at first, but I was really adamant about having a wallpaper in there. I really thought it would bring a nice texture, and I'm so happy that I fought for that because I really feel like it brings the powder room to life and gives it a little personality. Number 2, this is a huge transformation, is our Westmount Ensuite. So this was a big one for us. The bathroom itself was actually really well maintained. It's beautiful for 80s standards. It had high-end finishes, it was monochromatic, and actually looked quite lovely for its time, although its time had passed. So we were ready to rip that out and put in a Leclerc decor design, and we're so happy with how it turned out. We had to play around with this bathroom.
One of the most dramatic changes in this bathroom was actually the layout.
Yeah.
We completely reconfigured everything because we moved the door to the front of the master bedroom.
Yeah.
And before it was kind of like in the closet area.
We sort of rejigged it because they wanted everything. They wanted 2 sinks, they wanted a tub and a shower, and we wanted to play around and figure out how we were gonna get that for them and how it would feel like a nice flow. I actually love a pocket door, and we put a pocket door right in the sort of entryway of their ensuite, and I am really happy with how this turned out, and so are they. It looks amazing.
Definitely one of our favorite bathroom renovations we've ever done. Our most dramatic before and after is our old studio bathroom. As you can see, the before picture was pretty disgusting. It was our first office, and it used to be like a warehouse. I think some landscapers used to work there. So it wasn't the prettiest space.
It had the bare bones, right? It had a toilet, it had a vanity. It was fine, but we really wanted to bring it up a notch.
No, it wasn't fine, it was disgusting.
But we really wanted to bring it up a notch and put our stamp on it and kind of be creative with it. This was a space that we wanted to showcase our skill set. And
yeah, like you say, we really wanted to showcase what we can do. We were gonna have a lot of clients come in here. My most favorite touches about the space are the pinstripes, which
Yeah.
a lot of people thought was wallpaper. But our painter actually came in with a laser, painted these little lines perfectly, and it just came out really great and added that perfect little touch.
I picked out the color. He again was a little iffy about this paint color, but I'm obsessed with this color. It's called Mediterranean Teal by Benjamin Moore, and I absolutely love the depth that it has, the coolness that it has, and then it's not an oversaturated color. It brings in like a beautiful tone. So that was definitely a dramatic one. Okay, so these were some good before and afters. That was actually really fun looking at some of these past projects that we've done.
It was, yeah.
I must say the studio bathroom was good, but I also love the Westmount Ensuite. I felt like that was such a good...
Yeah, I think overall that's probably my favorite bathroom we've ever done so far. We're working on so many exciting ones right now.
Yeah.
But I think just number one, just because it's so dramatic, it's such a big change.
Let us know what you think was the best before and after transformation in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.